this is Betty McQueen. This is my desk critique for Module 5, Publishing. I am having trouble with my Captivate, but I have added a few more slides to my PowerPoint presentation. I've added some pictures, a little more information about what I'd like my dissertation to be on, a few more, facts about my topic. I've added, I thought I added a better looking picture, but I guess I changed, for some reason it changed the look of it. I'll have to fix that. Add a little more information. Basically, I'm working to add a little more excitement to the PowerPoint. There's something called live slides that I'd like to add, which has live polls that the user can interact with as the PowerPoint presentation is going through. I've just added a couple of more things that I'd like to. I think this is probably going to be something that I'm going to show my advisors, my professors, when I propose my dissertation, and I'm hoping they agree to it because I think it's going to work out pretty good. But I am still working on getting Adobe Captivate down. It's my computer. I'm just going to have to go to a different computer, I guess. And I hope that you have enjoyed my desk critique. Please let me know what you think, and if you have any more, suggestions for me. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.